flights to Montego Bay, Jamaica out of BWI Airport canceled right now. This as Hurricane Melissa intensifies. It is now a dangerous Category 5 storm as it barrels towards Jamaica. The wind is gusting on the waterfront in Kingston as the life-threatening storm churns in the Caribbean Sea. Meteorologists warned that because Melissa is moving so slowly, the risk of catastrophic flash flooding, storm surge, landslides is higher. Forecasters predict the worst conditions in Jamaica will be tonight and then again tomorrow. Well, here at home in Baltimore, looking over the city, calm, chilly but bright noontime. After a frosty morning in some places, no rain in sight, at least for today. First Alert meteorologist Rochelle Jay in the WJZ Outback to tell us if tonight will be as cold as last night. Rochelle?
We've got a very similar temperature pattern in the mornings and the afternoons through much of this week. It's just going to be how much cloud cover do we have, and will those clouds, if we have them, produce any rain showers for today? The answer is no. Very few clouds in the sky. Blue as far as the eye can see as we take a live look from our harbor camera over the inner harbor. Beautiful blue skies, great for heading out, grabbing lunch in many of our amazing restaurants here in Baltimore or your local neighborhood. Not too windy for today, calling it seasonably cool, just a couple degrees below normal for this time of year, and plenty of sunshine. So hopefully you're not like me and you didn't leave your sunglasses inside. 57 degrees right now at the Inner Harbor, Perry Hall and Bel Air, 58 for Centerville, 54 in Frederick, mid-50s for Odenton, Annapolis, as well as Westminster right now. Winds, not too bad. 5 to 10 miles an hour. Was a little stronger around BWI during the 11 o'clock hour, but we've got even stronger winds on the way later this week, along with a possible alert day. We'll time that out and we'll talk rainfall potential totals and a look at Melissa coming up in just a few minutes.
Let's take a live look at the WJZ Outback. A bright, sunny, but chilly, slightly breezy afternoon. Rochelle, no rain in sight that I saw this morning, not a single cloud.
Not a single cloud. So I'm saying probably today is the quietest day of the next few as we go through the work week. I mean, just a gorgeous day out there. There are some clouds way off in the distance as we take a live look over the Inner Harbor. Here's a look at what's next. A few showers are possible Tuesday and Wednesday. Right now, those days don't look like a washout. Thursday, that's really going to be the day that we're watching for the work week. We're watching rain and wind picking up for a portion of the day that looks like it could impact maybe the morning commute more so versus the evening. And then going into Friday, the evening looks pretty nice for the trick-or-treaters. Out there right now, this would be great trick-or-treating weather. We're sitting in the mid-50s to upper 50s, 56 in Towson, 57 right now in Catonsville, Clarksville, Glenarm, 55 in Riviera Beach, and our neighbors in Edgemere also sitting at 55 degrees as we're heading through the lunch hour. Neighborhood forecast for Baltimore County today, 59 in Butler, 61 in Perry Hall, Owings Mills, Arbutus, Dundalk, all 61 degrees for today, 58 in West Liberty as well as in Freeland. For tonight, partly cloudy conditions, so we keep this quiet pattern going as we go through the overnight into tomorrow morning. But you will see those rain chances heading up Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I mentioned Thursday, really the day that we're watching for that best chance for showers. Just a few clouds down to the south. We've seen a couple just now on our harbor camera. Weather set up for later this week. We're going to be watching showers, two systems. It does look like these systems may try to absorb one another, so we'll keep an eye on that. Tuesday evening's rain chance, I mentioned, not a washout for tomorrow. Wednesday doesn't look like a washout either. Morning commute looks fine. Midday on Wednesday, not too bad. It's going to be Wednesday evening going into Thursday morning that we're going to keep an eye out for that better chance for some showers along with some wind could impact that morning commute. So we have indicated Thursday as a possible alert day. We've got the potential for some heavy rainfall in the morning hours of your Thursday. So we will eventually start to see that drying out a little bit later in the day. We'll take a closer look at that trick-or-treating forecast, Denise, coming up in just a few minutes.
Hi, Rochelle and I talking Halloween forecast. Looks good so far.
Looks good from this vantage point. 4 days away, trending dry and breezy. Temperatures by the evening in the low 50s, 5 to 15 mile-an-hour breeze. But we are going to see those winds picking up a little bit before that. Could have a little bit of some wind for tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday into the weekend. Breezy winds. Watching Thursday for heavy rain.
I love these cool nights, though.